Hi guys, this is Chris here from the tradingmentors.com. Hope you are well. In this video I'm going to go over the Advanced Pro Charts just so you can see how they work, why they work and how you can profit. For those who don't know me, I've been trading for 30 years. Yes, I know I don't look it, but I have, and it's true. I've seen everything, done everything, and these are the best charts for day trading and scalping. So let's crack on and see the moves. So I'm delighted to welcome you all to the Advanced Pro Charts. And again, my name is Chris, so you're all very welcome. And you would never have seen anything like this before. We trade very, very carefully, and the indicators are highly accurate if they're set correctly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the day trading setup, and then I'm going to go over the scalping chart setup so you can see them in action. This is the pound yen. It works with any currency. It works really well with gold. It works really well with oil and anything that moves. Basically, if you want to trade it and it's in a trend, you can see a trend, then it is fantastic. So let me enlarge this on the left for you so you can see exactly what's going on here. So as I say, this is the pound yen. Pound yen is a quite reliable and great one to day trade. We do position trade as well, but day trading, I know a lot of you want to do that, and this is by far the best way to do it. So this is the Advanced Pro software, and if you want my free weekly market newsletter, I send that out the weekend, and I give you my tips and my favorite trades for the week. Just go to www.thetradingmentors.com and sign up there. It's all free. The other thing as well, in the description of this YouTube channel is you can link to my Telegram channel as well, and where you can get free signals on the daily chart. So this is a 30-minute chart, and it is by far the best one to use for day trading because you're not going to hold this position for a few days or a few weeks. This is day trading. In my view, a day trade is going to be held and closed by the end of the day. I would not keep them open overnight unless you really want to. So let me give you the rules before we go on to the scalping chart. So let me rewind this back a bit here. So the first thing is this blue line is the 50-day moving average, and as you can see it's pointing up, and that's the crucial bit. If it's going up, achieving higher highs, then the price is highly likely to continue. Now the buy signals, buy above the blue line indicates a valid entry, and the closer the buy signal is to the blue line, the better and the stronger the signal is. Okay, if we get one which is like this, which is not there, the blue line, then it's highly likely it's going to fall down. Once we get one that's close to it, then it's going to be sometimes a very big move. Let's have a look at that one, shall we? So you would have got in somewhere here maybe and gone up to here, and that's 540 pips. It's not in one day, of course. That is over a few days because it's a 30-minute chart, but nonetheless it shows you the potential profits that you can make. So this is a valid one. So that's 97 pips. Doesn't look a lot, does it? But it's 97 pips there. Let's have a look at this one. Now this one's interesting. The buy signal is close to the blue line, which is fantastic. That's what we're looking for. However, it was consolidating, so you might want to look at the previous high and take a trade here, and it continues up, and the maximum you've got is 300 pips there. And again, buy signal here. Again, not ideal, but this indicates that the price is weakening. So buy signal here. 116, 106, and so on and so forth. Now, once the price breaks down below the blue line, of course, then it becomes a sell. And as you can see, the blue line is achieving lower lows and pointing down. It is lagging, but nonetheless, we use it as an indicator for price structure and resistance and support. So at the end of the day, as long as the price is below the blue line, then that's when we're looking for a sell. Now the sell signals and buy signals are highly accurate. So this buy signal, for instance, is not valid. When we wouldn't buy this because it's below the blue line. But we would use this sell signal. This has gone up to the order block, so each morning I would draw an order block. So this is an area of interest. So as the price falls down below this support area, the support area becomes resistance. Once the support area becomes resistance, then often the price will retrace and correct back up to this area. And the order blocks, I do training on that as well. So you don't worry if you don't know what order blocks are. I can show you what they are and how they work. So the sell signal comes here below the blue line, and away it goes again. So the maximum you've got there is 274 pips. So a very good way of day trading, or if you want to hold it for a day or two, then that's up to you. That's your choice, but nonetheless highly, highly accurate. Let's jump to the scalping trades on the 5 minute. So this is a 30 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. And as you can see on the right, this is typically what I'd be looking at if I was trading gold, for instance. And pound yen actually emulates quite a lot of what gold is doing, as you may or well not know. So once we have, let me enlarge this for you just so you can see it a little bit. Once we have a sell signal from the day chart, we can then start scalping it. Once we have clear confirmation of the direction, as we do here, how many opportunities can you see? So you have one here, sell, you have one here, sell, 66 pips. Now your stop on the scalping here is this red resistance area here, okay? And the other thing you can do if you're day trading and you want to use this in combination together, then you can day trade your position, you can trail your day trade with this red line here until you get stopped out. Quite straightforward. And anybody can do this. You don't need to be, Einstein. You don't need to be trading for 2 or 3 years. So this move down here is 215 pips. Is it in a day? Don't know. Let's have a look. So this sell signal was at 10:35 in the morning, and then it closed at 5 past 5, 215 pips. So it's a very good way of combining trades. But if you want to be a scalper, you can just sell it, close it, sell it, close it, sell it, close it, sell it, and close it. So a fantastic way of using the Advanced Pro Charts. If you don't have these, then contact me in the links below. Or contact me on Telegram or email me at info@thetradingmentors.com, and I'll show you exactly how you can get these and how you can benefit and start making money immediately.